Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of automotive mechanics to explore how a clutch disc works. Understanding this component is key to grasping how your vehicle's transmission functions. Let's get started. What is a clutch disc? The clutch disc is a critical component in a vehicle's manual transmission system. It acts as the connection point between the engine and the transmission, allowing you to engage and disengage power smoothly. When you press the clutch pedal, the clutch disc separates from the flywheel, enabling you to change gears. How the clutch disc works. Let's break down the mechanics of the clutch disc. Basic structure. The clutch disc is made of a friction material bonded to a metal plate. It has springs that help absorb shocks when engaging and disengaging the clutch. Engagement. When you release the clutch pedal, the pressure plate pushes the clutch disc against the flywheel. This creates friction, which transmits power from the engine to the transmission. Disengagement. Pressing the clutch pedal moves the release bearing against the pressure plate. This action pulls the pressure plate away from the clutch disc, separating it from the flywheel and interrupting the power flow. Friction material. The friction material on the disc is designed to withstand high temperatures and wear. Over time, these materials can degrade, leading to slippage or difficulty in shifting gears. Common issues with clutch discs. Here are some common signs that your clutch disc may be failing. Slipping. If the engine revs but the vehicle doesn't accelerate as it should, this could indicate a worn clutch disc. Difficulty shifting gears. Trouble getting into gear can signal that the clutch isn't fully disengaging. Unusual noises. Grinding or rattling noises when engaging the clutch can indicate issues with the disc or other components. Maintenance tips to extend the life of your clutch disc. Consider the following maintenance tips. Avoid riding the clutch. Keep your foot off the clutch pedal when not shifting to prevent unnecessary wear. Use smooth inputs. Engage and disengage the clutch smoothly to minimize stress on the disc. Regular inspections. Have your clutch system checked during routine maintenance to catch any potential issues early. Conclusion, and that's a wrap on how a clutch disc works. Understanding this component helps you appreciate the complexity of your vehicle's transmission. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.